And good evening there folks, this is Mixer Wars bringing you today a unboxing of one number 144 high grade after colony Gundam Deathscythe. So as you can see in the box, we have Deathscythe here with wing on the background. I think in the anime this is the episode where both hero and duo work together to invade. I think they forgot what it is, but I do remember one episode in the anime where both of them work together. So I think this cover art, the box art, is depicting that. Okay, so we have it here. Gundam Deathscythe XXXG01D. And on the side, we have here the various poses that you can do with it and the gimmicks. Gundam Deathscythe. Some more information about Gundam Deathscythe. And Gundam Deathscythe again. So, let's crack open the box. Upon opening, we have here one bag with two screws, one sprue and a PC sprue and some foil stickers. Second bag has three sprues, a white, dark gray, and a light gray. Third plastic bag is three sprues, dark gray, and of course the effect parts. And lastly, the guide. So opening up guide, we see here, yep, there we go. We have here the sprues, how to assemble the body, the head, shoulders, right arm, left arm, the legs, some poses that you can do, color guide, assembling it, the backpack and the weapons, and the gimmick that it has here on the knee joints and on the shoulders. Now what is interesting about here is this one. See, you built the shoulders separately from the arms. Now Bandai is really improving on the game on the HG, the number 144. Now let me open up the boxes and show you per sprue. Okay, here we have the A plate, which consists of 4 different colors. We have the all black here, some darkish gray or bluish gray, I don't know, some red and some yellow. So I'm guessing, yeah, this goes to the torso, the back skirt, front skirts, the feet of course, the tiny shield on its arm, some parts for the shoulders. This is for the torso, also the tiny shield weapon, some parts for the arms, the shoulders, some arms, and I think the crotch area, the head. Yep, so that's what we have here on the A plate. We also have the B plate here, which consists of manipulators, some parts for the legs, and some parts for the crotch area. Yep, this is the B plate. We also have the C plate, which is actually split. C plate is actually split into C1 and C2, with only the top part of C2 varying from the one part of C1. Interesting. also have the D plate, which primarily consists of parts for the weapon, the backpack, the armor on his left arm, and some parts for the skirts. And we also have the E1 plate, which I think is mostly for the lower part of the torso, some parts of the torso, most partly is for the legs. Yep, some for the arms as well. We also have the E2 plate here, which is the effect parts. And lastly, the polycaps here. Yep. And of course, who could forget the wall stickers, who or which I will not be using. So there you have it, folks. That's the unboxing of the 1/144 high grade Gundam Deathscythe. So please do subscribe, leave a like, and see you soon.